Hi, and welcome to the West Gourdie battery site here on the outskirts of Dundee. I'm Andrew Langlands, Head of Commercial at Flexitricity. This 50 megawatt lithium-ion battery energy storage system is owned by JLEN Environmental Assets Group and optimised by Flexitricity. As part of Flexitricity's virtual power plant, this site plays a crucial role in helping National Grid's ESO maintain system frequency, manage security of supply, and balance ever-increasing variable renewable energy generation, which is of particular importance here in Scotland, where gigawatts of wind output needs balanced around the clock. Battery energy storage systems, such as here at West Gourdie, play an increasingly significant role in managing these challenges as the power system decarbonises and we strive to achieve our net zero targets. Flexitricity's role is to dynamically optimise this battery across a range of services and markets to generate revenue for the asset owner. This includes frequency response services such as dynamic containment, moderation and regulation, wholesale market trading from forward hedging through various day-ahead auctions to in-day energy markets, and helping National Grid balance supply and demand via the balancing mechanism. The key to maximising revenue for battery assets is to partner with a route-to-market provider that can provide holistic market access to the various revenue streams available and can demonstrate a track record of being able to deliver that agility to move between and stack services to maximise value. As the power system decarbonises, new markets and services for energy storage are launched, and we expect this trend to continue. It will become increasingly crucial to partner with a route-to-market provider that can take advantage of these new opportunities as they arise. At Flexitricity, we're proud of our track record of regulatory engagement and industry firsts in the flexibility space, and we'll continue to work hard to be at the leading edge for asset owners. This is Flexitricity's control room in the heart of Edinburgh. It operates 24/7, 365, and this is where we optimise our battery energy storage assets across a range of different markets and services.
Hello, I'm Chris Tanner. I'm a partner at Foresight Group, and I'm one of the investment managers at JLEN Environmental Assets. So that's the fund that owns the West Gourdie battery project, where Flexitricity are our route to market partner. And I'm here today to meet them and also to have a look around the control room. JLEN is a diversified environmental infrastructure fund. So we seek to follow themes of decarbonisation, energy efficiency, and improved sustainability in investing in real assets that provide investors with an attractive dividend and also some capital growth. So we've chosen to invest in energy storage because we already invest in a range of renewables technologies such as wind, solar and biomass. And we think energy storage really complements those assets, gives us exposure to a new set of revenues and opportunities. The strategic importance of West Gourdie really comes from the fact that it's the first battery storage asset in our portfolio to become operational. So we're really very keen to learn everything that we can from this experience and take that experience through into our subsequent batteries. And Flexitricity have a big part to play in that, helping to explain to us what they're seeing in the markets and how to optimise the battery. The importance of energy storage in a decarbonised energy system comes from the change that we're going to see on that network. So out will go the large baseload fossil fuel plants, and in will come a lot more intermittent wind and solar. So batteries have a role to play in helping dealing with the complexity that change brings. There will be greater challenges in balancing the grid, and there will also be days when the wind doesn't blow and the sun doesn't shine, and energy storage has a role to play there as well. The future of the energy storage industry in the UK really comes from the part it has to play in the key issue of flexibility. So the 21st century grid is going to need to be much more flexible. It will need to deal with increased amounts of wind and solar on the network. There will be things like EV fleets to integrate. And so battery storage, with its ability to react quickly to conditions that it sees on the grid, has a real part to play in managing that complexity. When deciding which route to market partner to work with, the first thing for us is expertise. So batteries face a range of different market opportunities, and those opportunities are dynamic. So what's right one day may not be right the next. Flexitricity have been really good in explaining to us what they're seeing in the markets and why they're positioning the battery in the way that they are. They're also really nice people to work with, so that helps as well. The process of working with Flexitricity has been a really open process so far. So one of the key things for us is to have an open dialogue with our route to market partner about the markets, what they're seeing, how to position the battery in the best way to optimise revenues. So that's been a real highlight. It's also the case that we work with Flexitricity across a range of different assets of different sizes. But what we've seen is their dedication and their expertise comes through regardless of the size of the opportunity, and we welcome that.